What's up, guys? So Alternator took a shit in the GX100 Chaser. So I went online, can't find anything about no US compatible cars that swap over for the 1GFE. I took it out already. You guys can figure out how to do that. It's pretty simple. Bolt here, this little bracket down here, and then a nut. Remove the negative terminal. Easy. You guys got that. But also a GX100. Anyways, this is what you need from O'Reilly's. It is a 97 Toyota Camry 2.2 liter. Here's the old one. Obviously this is the new, this is new, and this is the new one. This is the old one. That's the new one. Let's see, look. Identical. Everything's the same. Plugs in the back. The same. The only difference is the pulley. Blast it off, 22 mil. Just throw it back in. Done. My dumbass, thank God I got it off. I snapped this bolt down here, broke the head off, so don't over tighten it or just change the bolt out. I'm just gonna change it out and be done. Yeah, I'll show you guys me throwing it back in the car, but this is just a quick video to show you guys that there is an alternator that fits. Someone, I don't know his name, but I talked to him on the Facebook group, and he said this worked, but there was no really info about it. So at least now there's something you GX guys can swap over. A little pricey, and yes, you could have this rewound and end up being like, I don't know, 250 bucks or something, but it's better than nothing at all. So yeah, I'll show you guys me installing it right now, and hopefully everything goes good. Once you guys get it put back in, there's a bolt down there that goes in. This is your tension right here. Obviously that bolt's there. Put this bottom one in just like snug, but like still kind of loose. So just like hand tight. You're gonna get all your tension set here. And then once your tension is set, then you'll tighten this bolt. Don't over tighten it like what I did a minute ago and broke it. And thankfully I was able to get it out, but just tight, but I don't know, there's probably a torque spec. I don't know what it is. So you guys can figure that out on your own. Get that tight, and then we'll go ahead and connect all this up. But there you guys go. Everything plugged in 100%. The only thing I gotta do now is just tighten this one. That's the last thing to do. Once you get all that fully on, just tighten that one up. Fits 100%. It's pretty good. So now you guys know, 1997 Toyota Camry 2.2 liter alternator will work on your GX100 Chaser Cresta with the 1GFE. Again, it's super dirty. This is just the daily. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go and start it up right now, make sure the noise went away. It used to have like a crazy whine noise that came out of nowhere. And I'll check the voltage, make sure it's charging. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty simple. Quick little video just to show you guys that now you guys have a part that works.